Hello, I'm Cotton, the chef dog. Today we're going to make a delicious recipe for your breakfasts or dinners. We'll be making a Venezuelan dish that everyone loves, empanadas. To make this recipe, we'll need pre-cooked corn flour, wheat flour, butter, salt, ground paper or sugar, frying oil, and your preferred filling. In our case, we're going to fill them with cheese and turkey ham. Tell us in the comments what your favorite filling is. To make our empanadas, we have to add the corn flour and wheat flour into a cup. Then add the water, sugar or paperin, and a pinch of salt. We knead vigorously and if necessary, add more water until we have a smoother dough than the one for arepas. If you want to see how the arepa is made, I'll leave the link for you to watch anytime. Then we make a small ball with the dough and place it on a plastic bag. Fold it, and press the dough with a board as much as we can to make it thin. We put our filling on one end and close it this way. Now it's ready to be cooked. We place it in the pan with plenty of oil. Make sure it's very hot and wait until it's nicely golden brown. While it's cooking, we can have a snack. If you prefer healthier food, you can make it in your air fryer. We remove it from the pan and the empanada is ready. Now, let's just try it. It's delicious. I invite you to make it at home and you'll surprise your guests and family. Thank you for joining me. Don't miss my next recipe. Subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make the next recipe. I'm Cotton the Chef Dog.